Hey guys, so I am going to be doing a unboxing of our Boxyluxe, and if you guys do not mind, please hit that like button. If you guys are on my channel, please hit that like, comment, and also subscribe as well. So not today, but yesterday, I got my Boxyluxe. Here it is. It is white and has a green stuff on it, just for St. Patrick's Day. So that is why they had did this kind of design, which I think is really cute and really pretty. Alright, so my box, I've already cut it open. And here is my very large card. This month is called Lucky. And my card code is C2103-401-LX. So let's see what's in here. I'm excited. Alright, so the first thing is the Dominique lip liner, and it is called Crush. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas whenever you get makeup and everything. It's so nice. Alright, so this is the Dominique Cosmetics lip liner, and this is very interesting. It's like, this is what it looks like. So let's swatchy-roo. Ooh, it is so creamy, and it has that nude color. So pretty. I'm excited to try this. So excited. I'm gonna put that right. Oh no, I'm not gonna see that there, because if I don't see it, then I'm not gonna use it. Alright. Ooh. Oh, that lip liner is $18. It values for $18. And just so you know, the Luxe box, it is $55 every 3 months. So if you guys are interested in getting that, I can give you guys my code, and I won't earn any money. I'll just get charms, which will be also nice. Alright, so here is the palette. It has a nice little mirror and all these pretty colors. It has a pop of color in a lot of neutrals. I kind of want to try. Ooh. Okay, so that blue is super soft. Let's try that gold color. And I'm dying to see this green. That doesn't. Okay, so the green doesn't seem very pigmented, but I guess we'll see. There's a lot of I'm telling you guys, it's a lot of the neutrally colors. So here's some 4 colors right here that I did. I'm gonna do a quick swatch. Okay, so the blue seems a little, okay, no, that's fine. Yeah, that green is super pretty. So here are 4 colors that I just swatched. Super pretty. I really like that blue. I'm excited to try it. So hopefully soon I can do a really nice try-on look. That blue kind of stains your finger a little bit. So it does that cold. Oh gosh. Alright. So awesome. I'm excited to try a new palette. I'm thinking that I might be getting my other boxes sometime this week. I have no idea. I know my base box is probably coming tomorrow or Tuesday. So here's some foam. Sometimes I keep that, so whenever I do my giveaways, I have that. Ooh. Oh, crap. that palette. That palette's 50. The way they feel, I don't think it's worth it. This palette is valuing for $50. Maybe they'll be different whenever you do like my eye look and stuff, but I don't know about that. I really don't know about that. Alright, so I got something right here. I think this is like my choice. I picked this out. This is the brush holder that values for $34. I don't think I'm gonna just use it for my brushes. I probably, because I have like a little system here, so I probably will end up using this for like my eyeliners, my lip liners, all that stuff. So, but this seems really like good. Like, it's pretty sturdy. So I'm excited. This was my choice item. I did pick this out. So I'm excited to give this a try. Well, not a try. I'm gonna put my lip liners and my eyeliners in like a good place, I guess. Alright. I'm really excited for this lip liner. I'm gonna actually put that right there because I think I might try for that tomorrow. Ooh, so we got a KVD foundation brush. Usually I use a lot of kabuki brushes. You guys have seen it in my lives. But I'm excited to try something new. Well, there's this other brush that I really want to try as well, which I had gotten in a subscription box. It's the new Morphe brush. So I'm excited to give this a try. I don't know if this would be really good with a foundation. I will try it out. So I will definitely give that a try. The KVD Vegan Beauty is, that brush is $34. Alright, so the next thing is Rose Quartz Hair Mask. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I still have a couple hair masks already. It does smell really good. Some of it was able to like lift. But it is actually really cute packaging. I really like this. And I'm really excited to be able to give it a try. This values for $31. I do have like a couple hair masks already open, which I still need to like use up. So eventually, once those two hair masks are gone, yes, I will open that up and give that one a try. So I will let you guys know how that product is once it's like, yeah, like once I've used this. This is 24K Gold Lip Plumping Kiss the Stars. I don't know what the actual name is, but this is actually a really cute product. I've heard that it didn't really work, so I don't know. It does have like glitter specs, and it has like that spearmint smell. I don't know. I'm not really looking forward to this product. This values for $42 though. I will give it a try to see how it is, but I don't know about that product. Not really into that. I mean, obviously, like, I was having like some my lips were like literally like dying. I really don't know why, but they were just like horrible, and I needed to like do something for my lips because oof, they were bad. They were really bad. So I actually got this lip scrub, and it was in the Burt's Bees section, but this actually seems to work really good. Like, my lips were dry and cracking, and that actually really helped. Alright, so everyone got this in their Luxe box. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum. This is what it looks like. It's a really cute bottle. Is it twist? Oh no, it's, you don't twist it, you pull it. This is what it looks like. It's a thing, pumper. I'm not gonna try it now just because, one, it's a serum for one. I have a bunch of serums that are already open right now and I don't need it, but I'm going to keep it to give it a try to see what it's like. Obviously, yes, I'm going to try it before all my other serums are gone, but I'm gonna try it anyway. This values for $42. I've have a few Glow Recipe products. I have the brightening eye balm, which is really nice because, I mean, I'm a mom, I'm tired, and my eyes are horrible. So yeah, I'm excited for that product. Alright, so my last thing, my other choice. I got the Fenty Beauty foundation. So I have been on a kick for a lot of foundations. I mean, yes, I'm a pharmacy influencer, but it is always good to be up to date on some foundations. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I got the color 185. I don't know how well I had color matched myself, but I will definitely give this a try. Oh, I heard a lot of really good things about this product too. Okay, so it seems to, like, actually, I think this might be my color. So it's right there. I'm really excited to try that. Everyone says it's like a full coverage product, so I'm really excited to try this or give it a try. I honestly have a lot of foundations that I need to go through, like a lot of foundations I need to go through. So yeah, like I'll get through them. I just have to, like, constantly go through them. Like, yeah. Alright, you guys, I hope you like this. I hope you guys are, like, you enjoyed this kind of live. If you guys have any questions about any of these products, if you guys want me to try something on, like, product-wise, best believe there will be a try-on very, very soon. I'm actually gonna put my, like, stuff together so I don't lose it. Like, lose it. So, yeah. Where's my other stuff? I got other stuff in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Where's my other? Okay, here's 7. I got that right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's my other thing? Put my lip liner right there. Oh, I can't really try this on, but it's right there. Alright, you guys, please make sure that you guys like, comment, and if you're on my YouTube channel, like, comment, and subscribe. I will be doing hopefully a try-on maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, probably Wednesday. Maybe. We'll see. Oh man, there's like so much stuff to do this week. It's insane. So I will let you guys know as soon as I can to try this stuff on. And I hope you all have a good night, and you guys will see me definitely tomorrow morning. Bye guys.